Rolls-Royce nuclear engine could power quick trips to the moon and Mars. The company's prototype is a smaller version of the nuclear reactor it's hoping to send to the moon by 2029. What is Rolls-Royce up to?
Yeah, someone sent it over yesterday in the chat. I figured it would be kind of cool.
Rolls-Royce caught the SpaceX bug over here. They're like, never mind. We've been doing this for a while. Now we're going to the moon in 2029.
Supercars and the moon. That's it.
So what we're looking at here is an impression of the propulsion system at work.
It's glowing.
Nuclear, dude. Rolls-Royce Holdings is getting into the space flight industry. The British aerospace engineering company. Oh, that's right. They do all types of plane stuff too, obviously. Says it's developing a micro-nuclear reactor that the company hopes could be a source of fuel for long trips to the moon and Mars as humanity begins to venture back into space with crewed missions scheduled to visit the moon and Mars within the next 2 decades. Technology that moves us throughout the solar system will be a pivotal part of that journey. It's like those nuclear aircraft carriers, nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. Mm-hmm. They're just like completely self-sustaining with their own little reactor.
Yeah.
Man, nuclear is just, that's some wild stuff.
As long as you can harness it. That's it.
What happens if you don't harness it, Will?
Well, everything blows up.
Everything.
Yeah.
Absolutely everything. So they put out a tweet. Rolls-Royce microreactor designed to use inherently safe and extremely robust fuel form. Each uranium particle is encapsulated in multiple protective layers that act as a containment system, allowing it to withstand extreme conditions. So the future of space flight is nuclear, Will?
Yeah. And I also read that they wanted to build like self-sustaining areas where, like, if it's Armageddon, they can have like a bunker.
Well, I suppose, yeah, if you can land this thing, I know Elon's working on trying to land these, but if you could land this thing, could it not become a power source and a reactor you bring with you, a portable nuclear reactor?
Yeah.
Good Lord. I never would have thought this would be what they were up to, but sure.
Like they have a moon base here with the reactor, maybe?
I think not enough people are appreciating the fact that Rolls-Royce has this pedigree when it comes to aerospace, and they just picture some
ambitious
type of luxury car, Will. But they're not just a pretty face.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool.